Um, Okay, thank you, ma'am. Now, as requested last week, you are requested for, not requested, you said that you are doing percentage in school. So we are going to do secondary school percentage. Now, I'm going to teach you one formula. This formula may not be taught in school. So I want you to copy this before we start on the exercises, okay? I've gone through this formula since last year, but normally people cannot remember. So I want you to just take down. Like you ready? Take down inside your notebook or something. All right, maybe I've given this, I think last week or the week before last or something. Percentage always will have four things to fill up. Do you remember? I have gone through this, right? Sophia, what do you feel in here? Anyone knows? Zahira, anyone know? No one knows. Hey, Shafika, turn on your video. Hey, turn on video. Rahana, turn on. Always put one. All right, down here you got, okay, we call this A, B, C, and D. Okay, I want you to write down for this is for percentage. D always equals 1. Always will equal 1D. Okay, so this one, you can write down A, B, C, D. So down here now, you have 1. A, what is A? A, what you want to find. You see, what do I mean? What you want to find? Sometimes I ask you, what is the percentage of boys eating pork? Example. So boys eating pork is what you want to find. They might give you percentage maybe, or they might give you number. Either one, you must put it here. What you want to find, you got to put it here. They will give you something, some clue they will give you. You got to put the clue here. Okay? Below here now, between B and C is a relationship. B and C connected. B and C are connected. How? One of them will be percentage, the other one will be number or money or whatever. So let's say now down here B, they have, let's say 20%. You put 20 here. Then 20% might be equals to $750. You must put it here. So what am I talking about? Down here is a link between B and C. One is percentage, the other one is number. If below is number, then you write percentage here. Now, how to know what to write here? Look above. If this is percentage, below must be percentage. If this is number, below must be number. Okay, I want you to use this ABCD one because very, very fast you will get answer. Very fast. Okay, we try now. We try now. Okay, I give you, let's say now. Okay, boys, we don't know. Girls, we know. How much is it? The girls is 70%. And there are 35 girls. Now, how to use this method? You want to find the boys, correct? Down here. First step down here, what do you put? You put 1. You want to find boys. What do you write here? Any clue about the boys? You know any clue? Say no clue at all. You can know if girls is 70%, boys is how many percent? 30, Can you see not? You know what? 100% is everything. So you know the clue is 30. So you write 30 here. Do you write percent here? Do you write percent here? Is this percent? Percent. Below you must write percent also. Which one you write? Must write the 70%. This 70% is equal to 35 girls. You put this inside your calculator, you type, you will get your answer. And your answer will give you 15 boys. You try, use your calculator, try. 30 divided by 70 times 35, you will get 15. So I repeat, A is the first one, what you want to find. You put your, you say, I don't know what to put. Well, they will tell you something. But you see, they didn't tell us anything at first. But you know what? If girls is 70%, everyone is 100%, this one must be 37%. Put a 30% here. You will know something about the boys. Put it here. And then you put percent, below must be percent. So look at the girls. They have percent is equal to 35. I put percent here, equal to 35. This one is always 1. You get your answer. We try one more. Huh? We try one more. You try. You try using this method. I don't want you to find 1%, all this stuff. You go straight for the kill. You are in secondary school, got no time to waste already. You can use calculator. So you put in, I'm going to write this A, B, C, D. Okay, you write down. I'll give you the, okay, adults. We don't know. Children. Children, there's 400. Adults, they tell you this one, adults, they tell you there's 20%. They want to know how many adults are there. Fill in the blanks. What you want to know, you put here. What you know and the percentage you link here. You can find this. Come on, you can find this. Come on, come on. I want you to use this method. Don't want to use primary school method anymore. You can use primary school method, but you use this method, okay? Try your best. Okay, it's a very fast, very fast method. Okay, I'm not selling anything. Okay, I'm not getting any extra money for selling this formula. But you must do this. We must be faster. Here, say 100%. Here, you're correct, 100. Here, you use the method. Do you use the method? You must get 100. Yes, okay, alhamdulillah, well done. Have you done this method before? Yeah. Is it fast now? Very fast, right? Very fast. You must be able to get 100. Rahana, you get 100, Rahana. Don't hide from me, Rahana. How many? Why you didn't try the method? You don't like the method. Shafiqah, you got the method? You got 100. Okay, we ask Shafiqah, what do you put in D, Shafiqah? D. Tell us. 1. Okay. What you put in A? I got the method. Okay, great. What you put in A, Shafiqah? How come you cannot talk about this girl? 20. 20. Yes, Ilhan said 20. Good. And then below here, if you percent, below must be percent. How many percent? How many percent? 80. Well done, Ilhan. How you know 80? They didn't tell you. Of course, this is 100%. So 20 must be 80% lah. So you see, sometimes you have to calculate. And 80% is equals to 400. Well done. Finish. Halas, you get 100%. Halas, finish. Zahira can get now, Zahira. What is she reading? Rahana, you can get, Rahana? Really? Everyone get? Okay, very good. Very good. I'm so happy all of you got. Sophia, you got, Sophia? No, are you sure? Sama, I told you many times when I train teachers, even Indonesia, Fiji, Thailand, I ask them, you understand? Everyone say yes. I ask them to explain, they say we don't know. Even teachers do that, no? But anyway, never mind. Okay, we come to this. Here we go. Okay, this is taken from one of your books, lah. So it's percentage and blah blah blah. We will. Okay, just for your information, 62% is 62 over 100. Right, you can see the 100 here. This is same as 0.62. All these are the same. So what does it mean? Let's say 62% of 1,000. You said 62 over 1,000. Do you know it's the same thing? Let's say we do like that. Do you know that this is the same? This is exactly the same as 0.62 times 1,000. Do you know that? You know that 62% is the same as 0.62, right? So it's the same thing, 0.62 times 1,000. Why want to do it this way? You just need to shift the decimal 1, 2, 3, get 620. Okay, never mind. Okay, we move on. Maybe if you are able to go a little bit deep, you will find a lot of jewels. Say, what is this man talking about? The senile. Dia sudah senile. Senile, you know. Okay, can you try now? We convert now into percentages. Simplest form, use your calculator. All right, no problem. We try question A, D, C lah. You cannot have fraction. I cannot have decimal. We want to change to fraction. ADC. You can use the fraction calculator. Wow, who is this one? Very fast. But one fraction, not decimal. You're correct, Elhan. But one fraction. Put over 100. and then reduce. Yeah, reduce now. Cancel the 0, divide by 2 and all that. Divide some more until you cannot divide anymore. When you cannot divide anymore, that's called simplest form. Guys and girls, you all got any questions from school, please ask me, okay? I'm here for that service, okay? Remember that, huh? I am your slave for the moment. Says, okay, I want you to bark. Oh, oh. Okay, I'll bark. What else you want me to do? Zahira says what? Not 2 over 5, mister. You the 2 also, you must divide by 2, Ilhan. Then you get that. Okay, well done, Mr. Small lah. Ini tak nampak ni. Saudara pun. Sophia, well done for number 1. Number A, well done, Mr. Hayen. A. For B is, wow. Okay, very interesting. For C, is correct. For B, okay, I think you're correct for I'm counting myself. Yes, well done for C also. Okay, Shafika, well done for all. Congratulations. Okay, all right. You can hug your brother now. Younger brother, you have a younger brother, kan? No younger brother. Okay. Yeah, Ilhan, well done for A. Okay, those of you have not got, have not seen Raihana, come on, Raihana. Sophia, well done, Sophia, all of them, correct, well done. Okay, Raihana, first one, correct, well done. So I'm just going to write down the answer. First one is 20 over 100. Then after you can second, you get 2 over 10 and 1 over 5. Okay, first one is 1 over 5. All of you got it, well done. This one now, how? Write it down. See, I don't know how to write. There's a decimal place. I'm very scared. Don't be afraid. It's over what? This is over what? Over 100 lah. Hello, you can see this is 100 lah. This is 100 kan? There's now you put 20 over 100. This one also put over 100 lah. See, then how? Well, you need to times 100. If you times by 100, what happens? This one shift 1, shift 2, you get 4. Then also times 100 below. Also times 100 below. Whatever you do to the top, do to the bottom. Okay, you get 4 over 1, 10,000. Can see now. Then divide by 4, get 1. Divide by 4, get 2,500. Well done. All of you, I think most of you can, or some of you can do this. 1 over 2,500. The next one, very simple. 206. Over what? Over what? It's over 100 lah. Why over 100? Because it's percent. Yes, well done, Rahana. So now how? Now I think this one, you can divide, right? You will get 2 whole 6 over 100, correct? And then how? Divide some more lah, the 6, you can divide some more. You get 2, 350. All right, 2 wholes 3 over 50. If you cannot understand, please send me a message, please. On the chat or whatever, send it to me, say I don't understand, please. Anyone? We count to 3, Zahira, you understand? Zahira, you understand? Zahira, you understand? Zahira, I keep calling Zahira. Okay, all right now. Okay, that's the girl cute lah. Okay, in Korea, you know how they do the Korea cute, right? Right? You all know how to do Korea cute. You do not know Korea cute. That's a Korea cute. All the Korea girls, when they're sad, they will do like that. And that is really not cute lah. That means they do not know how to act. Okay, we do now. The next one. Okay, next clue. Please, you copy this on the board again, okay, so that you never forget. Okay, I mentioned this before. Fraction, decimal. This is decimal. Rahana, you're asking me, this is decimal. How to change the percentage? Very simple, just times 100. Any fraction or decimal, just times 100. You will get percentage. You want to change to percentage, any fraction or decimal, just times by 100. Okay, here we go. Very simple. Okay, can you try? Try ACD lah. ACD. That's it. ACD. Never mind. You get your answer as decimal, no problem. But ACD. Okay. We have the first one. First one correct. First one, Sophia correct. What about the rest? Come on, what the rest? Come on. Hen, where are you, Hen? Come on, Hen. Ilhan, come on. Share your Ilhan. Come on. Get back into the boxing ring, Ilhan. With your own self. You are fighting against your own self. See why? Kena sampuk. No, all of us are like that. We are fighting against our own self. Inside us, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, says, in all of us, there's a type of jinn inside you. You know that. When I first discovered that in my 30s, I got scared. That jinn is called Qarin. That is why sometimes when you're not thinking of anything bad, suddenly some bad ideas come into it. It's not you, it's actually Qarin. And this Qarin is going to tell you to be malas. It's going to tell you all sorts of stuff. Okay, well done, Zahira. AB, correct? Ilhan, you must just times by 100, Ilhan. Very simple. Just times by 100, you get percentage. Husna, okay. Husna Shafia, well done. What about the rest? Come on, what about the rest? Cheer. Okay, Sophia, well done. Sophia, you got everything correct. Well done. Yeah, this is a different Sophia today. This year. Ilhan, let me see. Ilhan, where you get 32? Oh, you are doing B, You all are doing B. Okay. Ilhan, sorry, if you are doing B, yeah, then that's correct. So sorry, I didn't know. Okay, I thought ACD. What about C? Come on. Okay, Shafika, you gave your C. Okay. Very simple. Okay, this one is 60%. If you did B, this is like 32%. This one is you just times by 100, you get 1 to 8.6%. And this one you times by 100, you get 1.333333%. Okay, we move on to the next one. Decimal. We do all of them ABCD lah. Come on, we do ABCD. You must be able to do. Ilhan, you are sinking under. You're like the Titanic, Ilhan. You know the Titanic, they were challenging Allah. You know that? They call their ship, they say, it will never sink. On its maiden voyage, first voyage, they were boasting. And the word Titanic comes from the word Titan. Titan is one of the name of the Greek gods. The god Titan, I do not know what god is that. They believe. And they are challenging Allah. And Allah just sank it. Of course, some human beings probably responsible for it, but he's proving to us you don't challenge him. Like my aunt was telling me, Muhammad Ali, you know.
You do what question?
ABCD. I've been telling you that. What were you thinking about? Sorry, my scarf was too tight in my ear. Oh, it's okay. Okay, sometimes it happens. Ilhan, well done for A. Ilhan, well done for B. Ilhan, well done for C. Ilhan, not yet done D. Okay. Let's see now. Sophia. Hey, no. Ilhan, you check again for your C, Check for your C. Just be careful, okay? Sophia, well done for A. Well done for B. Sophia, well done for C. Ilhan, you try your C again. Because this is not even 1%, you know. Yes, Zahira. Well done, Zahira. Well done, Zahira, for all. Okay, don't play Zahira. And okay, well done, Mr. Hain, for all. Okay, well done. Come on, the rest. Come on. Very simple. Offer. Rayhana, where is she? Oh, she's not here. But her body is here. Yes, the body is here. Rayhana, where are you? Can do or not, Rayhana? Oh, the fringe. Down here. See, just divide by 100, right? Over 100. Okay, those of you who do not know, say over 100. Must be how many decimal places? 1, 2. So 1, 2. So you put this over 100. Now you put over 100. Not enough. Because this one is whole number. This one is, you got to make sure first. This one now become whole number. Times 10 times 100. You got to add another 2 zeros here. So this one becomes 12 over 10,000. 10,000 got 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a dot here. It's like that. That's simple. Okay. Now the next one, same thing. This one is over 100, right? Over 100, that means there's 2 decimal places. But still got 3 lah. So how? The whole number you put in the 2 decimal places here. Now here, see the last 2 numbers. Put the last one first. Then you put the 5 down here, the 5 whole. You see there's 2 decimal places, right? Or you say, okay, times by what? Times by 10. You got 5035. Okay, good. 5035. Okay. Then below also must times 10 and 1000. 1000, there's 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Fit the last 3 digits. You get 5, 3, 0. Put a dot. No need to put a dot. Must put the dot here. Let's put the dot here. So 5.035. Okay. All right. I think you're very, very clear, inshallah. If you're not clear, you must tell me, okay, so that I can go through with you. Okay, some will say I might not want to go through. Okay, never mind now. We are going to move on all this way. You know, right? This one just times by 100. Okay, I don't need to go through. The times by 100, you get percentage finish. This one descending. We start with this. Hold on. How come I cannot read this? I want you now to do question 6. How come I cannot reduce? Sorry. I want you all to be able to see the screen. You all can see, right? You can use all percentage first. What is this in percent? What's the balance percent? Then from the balance percent, you change to decimal. No problem. Up to you. Anybody. I hope you understand. But this one is not half as 50%. Well done, Sophia, for first one. That's the way, Sophia. That's the way. Susna Shafika, stop playing, brother. Come back. You're always going to the park ni apa ni? Come back lah. Why you always like to go to park? Apa ni? Ya, Aljunied lagi tau. Main dengan orang dia Aljunied. So you must remember, be careful. This one is half of the remainder. How many percent is that? Hayan, your answer is correct, A, but they want it as a decimal, Mr. Hayan. For this, you will get your answer as a WRONG because you were careless on this instruction here. Okay, be careful. You can score. What about Raihana? But is it so much, Hayan? So much, very big, Come on, Hayan, you can do this. Cannot be, Hayan. You're sakit kepala, Zahira, how? Zahira, okay. I like your Assassin's Creed punya. Ni Assassin's Creed. You do not know Assassin's Creed tu apa? Okay, later I'll show you the movie Assassin's Creed. Imagine I got to educate you all on the Shafiqah, stop falling asleep. What's the answer, Shafiqah? I see she's going to sleep. Ilhan, come back, Ilhan. Ilhan, I can only see the tip of his head aja lah. Ilhan. Dah gone case lah gini. Okay, let us see now who has sent me an answer. Zahira 30.1. Zahira correct, not correct lah. Okay. They say decimal in one decimal, you know. So you ask yourself, Miss, hold on, huh? Miss Zahira, after using 30%, how many percent is left? Well done, Miss. But the answer is too big, Sophia. 151, that is too big. Shafiqah, yes, well done. What about, okay, Zahira. Okay, boys and girls, we go through together for this one now. He used 30% of the household. Household, you know what's household? Huh? Or everything that is inside your house is called household. Okay? So it's whatever is in the house, what the house can hold. You see, your refrigerator, the people inside, the television, everything in the house is household. So you use the water for the whole house. For bathing, 30%. So the balance is how much? Balance must be 70% lah. 100% minus 30% equals to 70%. Then use half of this 70%. What is half of 70? Laundry must be 35% now. So out of 70%, you split the half of it 35. The other half is also 35. So the other 35% is used for what? Other users. So they say, what is your the decimal? Find the percentage. Percentage is 35%. But they say leave your answer as decimal. So you must change this. How to change this is 35 over 100. 100, how many zeros? 2 zeros. 2 zeros, two blanks. Put the dot on here. Fill in 35 down here. So 0.35 is the answer. Now the second one, and no one has given an answer for the second one. Laundry is this amount. What's the laundry? Laundry is 35%. You use this one. Hey, Mr. Hien, use the method I taught now. What's the method I taught? Okay, I'll show you now. Ilhan, wake up, Ilhan. I cannot wake up, I'm sleepy. Ilhan, wake up lah. I cannot, I'm sleepy. Okay. Shafiqah, come back. Where are you going? I said, main dengan abang. You sayang abang long. That's good now. Now, down here now. We ask you now, first of all, what you want to find. Total amount is how many percent? How many percent is total amount? 100%. If this is percent, below must be percent by number. This one will be 1. Remember, this is 1, this one, and fine. So now they tell you laundry is 5.57. This is not percent. I can put the 5.57 here. Well, how many percent is this? We already found out, right? Laundry was 35%, remember? Half of 70, 35%. I put a 35 here. Now, can you all just put inside calculator and just times and get the answer? Say, I don't understand this method. I'm giving you the fastest, most precise method. Cannot understand still. Okay, never mind. I'll show you other method. Okay, we go back to primary school method then. Okay. But 100 divided by 35 times by 5.57. You get 15.91. So Sophia, your answer was very close, but yours is 1,500. This is what? In square meters. Easy, no? I hope you all get it, no? Okay? You get it, no? I repeat, what you want to find is here. How you know what you want to find? They say total amount of water must be 100%. Right? You put 100% here. Once you use percent here, below must be percent. So you say, but which percent do I use? Look, the clue they give, 5.57. They give you this amount. So you don't put it here, you put here. But how many percent is it? You find out lah. They say laundry, that's now we check. Balance 70%, use half of the remainder for, so 35%, just put it below here. Okay, some say, I don't understand still. Okay, I will show you primary school method. Okay, primary school method. Laundry, how many percent? 35. Okay, we write 35% laundry. Okay. Yeah, primary school method can, tapi it's slow. It's slow. So, no problem. Okay, if you need to go primary school method, we go 35%. How much? 5.57. You find 1%, right? Astaghfirullahaladzim. Ni asyik ing asyik disappear lah. This is 5.57. This one's 5, okay? You want to find 1%. You divide this by 35. You see? 5.57 divided by 35 also. After that, you times by 100. Same thing lah. You can also do the same method you want. Same method. But I'm giving you one-step method now. One step. Okay, we try the next one. I hope you all are here lah. Hey, Rahana, come back lah, Rahana. Hen, you understand not method, Hen? Hen, you understand not, Hen? Hen, are you there not? Hey, you all are like patung like that lah. No one is responding, I think. I'm just entertaining myself. Okay, now we move to the next one. We move to the next one. Hold on. This one you must know, okay? Whenever they give, express R as a percentage of the thing. When they say as a percentage of, this one is always 100%. So let's try A first.
Say something.
Yeah, take it. See what you want to find. You want to find R in percentage. Use the formula method. Come on, use the formula method. Okay, we'll go through shortly. You just do A first. Use this method very fast. See, I don't understand the method. It's a formula. I can show you now. Very fast, very quick. So what you want to find, you put it here. What you want to find, you put it here. Zahira, what you want to find? You want to find R. What do you know about R? Put that thing here. This one, you know what? You put it here. The other degrees must put it below lah. How many percent is this? They tell you. As I said, off this one will be 100%. When they say percentage of the thing, this thing will be 100%. You must memorize. Below will be 1. You say, I don't understand this method lah. Can we have another method? Okay lah. Give you primary school method again. Primary school method now they say 70 degrees, 100%. Then 1 degree, you go and divide by 70 lah. 100 divided by 70. Okay, you get 10/7. Then you have 500 degrees, 25 degrees. 25 degrees, then 100/7 times 25. Okay. Everyone has turned on to the video lah. Very bad lah, you all. Who did not turn on? Hayan did not turn on video. All the rest will turn on video lah. They want me to scold them now. You have not seen me scolding people, kan? Maybe Rahana's brother has seen me scold. Okay. Who else? Zahina, Shafi, you all have not seen me scold lah. Come on, don't turn off your video. Only Hayan turn on the video. The rest also need to turn on lah. You say it's no video and we're very shy. Our beauty is so beautiful. You look at us, you might like us, and then you will worship us. No lah, I will not do that. I promise you. Okay. So down here now, you do the same thing. You get answer. What is your answer? You must be able to do this, Don't be like yo-yo lah, you guys. Sometimes okay, this 35.71%. You are going to get what? You are going to get decimals. Okay, the next one I want you to try is D. You try D. Come on. Use the method, use your primary school method, up to you lah, whichever method you want to do. But I'm giving you a very fast method, Those of you who are going to express, if you're going to express, you got to master this method. Because your friends or the express later will use this method, You're wondering, what is happening? Zahira, come, you're doing D. D for daddy. D for Delhi. Ika, cepat Ika. Apa yang cakap dengan abang sekarang? Abang jangan kacau abang. Ika mau belajar lah. Tengok macam Rahina. Tak ada orang kacau dia, tapi dia tidur. And now we go up. Okay, let's see. Well done. I think well done. Yes. Miss Sophia, I think you got it right. Sophia is this year one of the most serious students. Let me see whether you got it right, Sophia. Congrats. How can you get 39, Sophia? Did I think you key in something wrong. You try again, Sophia. It's 70, you know. Salah lah, salah. Careful lah, guys. I myself kena trick, you know. Hello, guys. This is gram, no, this is kg. Be careful. You must all use the same unit. Cannot use gram, kg. Change this to gram. How much? 180,000. 1 kg is 1,000. 180. Cik Pia, tengok ni. Jangan ditipu ya. Saya kenapa dapat salah? Tak cakap bismillah. Oh. Buat mat sambung kena cakap bismillah. Yes. My wife tell me that before doing maths also must say bismillah. Remember, all this you got to check. This one, minutes. Okay, later we will do others lah. Okay, we do others. Let us see now. Who's the one? Shafia. Oh, Zahira. Let's see whether you're right, Zahira. I think you're right, Zahira. Hey, Sophia, don't give me like that lah. Give me. Okay lah, you give a fraction lah. Okay lah, correct lah. Give him percent lah. Oh, that's percent. Okay. Correct. Shafika, not Shafia. Have you done D not yet? Okay, girls and guys, very simple. Come on, very simple. You can use the 4 method, the thing. Okay, Zahira, do you use this method? Yes, no. Okay, down here you put 1. What you want to find? You want to find R. What is R? You know 70 gram. I'll put gram on here. If you put 70 in gram, below you must put gram. Remember, if this is gram, below it must be gram. So you must put 180,000. You must put this down here. Now, what is this 180,000 in percent? You know it's 100%. That's it. Just times everything. You will get your answer, which is what? Okay, which is, okay, let me try again. 70 times 100 divided by 180,000. 0.0389 now, okay, percent, or 0.039%. Very small, Okay, we are gonna go now to the next one. Let me just clear screen. Okay, maybe I should go to more tough ones. Okay. This one. You must know what it means. Remember what I said, percentage of the total number. This one is 100%. Of the total number, this is, remember, as a percentage of, just like above here. As a percentage of 100%. As a percentage of the total number, this total number is 100%. Some of you say, but surely total number is 100%. No, 100% can change. You will see later 100% can change. You have shrimps, clams, clownfish, and sea anemone. You all know what is it? Not Danamon. Danamon is the biscuits. Zahira, come back. Rayana, come back. Stop playing the dark. Come back, guys. Zahira, stop playing Shira. And Anika, come. Why you want to play your sisters? Rayana, come back. Rayana, stop playing Ryan and Riley. Don't play them.
Nobody's at home.
You're all alone? You're all alone?
Yeah.
Are you hearing any strange sounds?
No, there's only Quran outside.
Oh, you play the Quran? Good idea.
Yeah.
You know, whenever I go to places, sometimes I have to go all alone, you know. I will play the Quran. What is it? And the cat. Okay, very. Okay, come on. Okay, maybe let us see. You must know what we are. I think shrimp. You know what shrimp? Clams, clownfish, and sea anemone. Can I just share this one? I think it's very important for you all to know these different things. Okay, let me just share this one because you must know this. I think the problem with education today is we are doing so many things and the students don't know anything. Sea anemone, is it? Okay, let me just write how to say this word. This is anemone. Oh, sorry, I didn't. Did you hear that? You didn't hear that? I'm going to share sound. Anemone is wrong. The thing.
Sea anemone.
Anemone. I didn't know that. Okay. Now, what is it? What is sea anemone? Anemone is this. Okay, then you have clownfish. Clownfish, I think you all may have seen. Very colorful fish. This is clownfish. Okay, and then you have what? Clams. Clams. No, the one I saw is the curly, woolly punya big clams lah. It's not here. And the last one is what? Shrimp. Shrimp and okay, shrimp is normally the US way of calling prawns lah. Okay, what we call prawn, they call shrimp. US call shrimp. Okay, just for your information, you must know. You do mathematics, you must relate it to real life. So come very quickly. Come on, very quickly. Sea anemone. This is very simple at this stage. Come on, you must be able to do this. It's 45 minutes already. I will jump into more difficult stuff in a moment. This is just exercise one. Shafika, come back. I feel as if I'm calling. Where you go, Shafika? You know that the moment you leave, huh? Yeah, here. Shafika, you lost weight, huh? Are you on a diet? Have you stopped drinking milkshake? I think that's the reason, maybe. Okay, come. Hey, come back. You all know how to do this, right? Clownfish. Don't tell me you do not know how to do this. Very simple. Okay, I will do this for you. No one is responding. I think you're already on La La Land already. Clownfish is 10 clownfish. Okay, you want to find a percentage of what? Total number. If this is number of fish, below must be number of fish. 18, 3, 21, 21, 10, 10. 21 plus 10, 31. 31 plus 5, 36 times by 100. How do we know it's times by 100? Because this 36 equals to 100%. Notice, that's your answer now. So what is it? I think in the end I'll just be doing myself. I do not know whether it helps you. 27.78%. Okay, you must write percent here. Now, you tell me what's B now. 100% have changed, no? Remember what I said, as a percentage of. Now, sea anemone has become the new 100%. Notice, those of you who think that 100% is everything, you look at the sentence. Express the number of shrimps as a percentage of. Once you say percentage of, this is the new 100%. Or this is the 100%. It may not be new. So you put in and you find what is the answer? Come on. You all are not focused, I think. Where's Miss Sophia? Sophia gone. Sophia, come back. Sophia. Sophia sent me a message. I have gone to the zoo. Apa ni? Why you want to go to the zoo now? My Wi-Fi. Okay. Some people say when you put my wife like that means my wife. Wifey, yeah. Come on, you can do this now. Look, This is different. Your 100% is different. Okay, let us see whether you do it now. I will do it now. See anymore. Okay, anyone got an answer? You do not know what to do.
Wait.
Hian, are you there, Hian? Your head is very stiff. Come, what's the answer, Hian? Have you sent me? Everyone is stoned, huh? I got a feeling you might be on drugs or something. This is on grass. On ganja, they call it ganja. Well done, Sophia, well done. So Sophia has listened to what I said. What about the rest? Again, I say your 100% can change. It depends on what the question is asking. You have to know this. You have to know this 100%. Come on, we only have 40 minutes left. 40 minutes left. Come on. I want to complete this, but I don't know whether I can complete this because the absorption participation is not there. I can see heads and all, but probably you might be just folding clothes and whatnot. Come, Shafiqa, let me see whether you're right or not. Yes. Be confident, Zahira. Don't put question mark. Correct. You are correct. Be confident, Zahira. Okay, your answer is correct. All right, second person to okay. So those of you who do not know, very simple. Remember what I tell you, the four ABCD. This one put 1. It will always be 1. Then they ask you express the number of shrimps. Well, how many shrimps are there? 18. I put 18 here. But you want it in percentage, you know. As a percentage of the number of sea anemone, you put 5 down here. This 5 is how many percent? As I mentioned, as a percentage of 100. Can you see? Can see or cannot see? Can see, right? Once times you get 360%. Must be able to do this, okay? Must be able to do this. This is considered easy. Okay? So I'm going to move on to the next one. What if you don't master this? See, I don't. Then your Sec 2 is going to be blur. Sec 3 also going to be blur for percentage. Worst of all, when you buy a house, you even more blur. Macam mana? Okay, later we go to HDB website. Okay, and then we will check about it. Okay. All right, let us move on. Some of you say, yeah, HDB is still very far. I'm not going to get married now. Yeah, maybe. We move on to the next one. Okay, now we are dealing with Gopal's mess. Go. So down here, I put in different colors, okay? The 100% is different, no, down here. This one, who is 100% is different, you know? Sorry, I have to put it nicely. Who is 100% here is different from who is 100% here. You must know that, no? 100% here is always off. Down here, Farah's weight is 100%. Down here, John's weight is 100%. Say, what is happening? That's why I tell you, 100% can change. Be careful. So you try. Farah cannot be lah. Farah will be too weight. No, 300 kg. Very. I just stop for a while. Because some you okay. Now those who say Farah's weight is 300 kg, you must know how heavy is 300 kg. 300 kg woman. Because Farah woman kan. Let us see now. This is a 300 kg now. Takkan Farah sebesar gini. Okay, even the belly button, you see, you can put your whole hand inside and come out and pull out apple. 300 kg man. It's a very fat, no? 300 kg. See, how many lapis? Even you can put your textbook underneath one of it and bring it to school like that. You don't need a bag under all these folds. Okay, so you must understand 300 kg is very heavy. So Farah cannot be 300 kg lah. Why? Because John is 45 kg. Farah is just 25% more, just quarter more. You decide. Now, you do this one first. Do this one first, okay? Because they give you Farah and John. Okay, they give you Farah and John. So how to do? Do the method I taught you, the same method. Very simple. Let's say if you don't focus, you don't know what to do. What you want to find? Farah's mass. What do you know about Farah? What do you know about Farah? You write here. Down here be 1. Down here, who is 100%? Remember? Off. This is 100%. Farah will be 100%. Farah is more, 25% more. Farah is 125%. So what you know about Farah, you write here. Then you know John 45 kg and 100%. You write lah. You can do this. Come on. Husna, Shafika, come back from the toilet. Rahana, stop playing the cat. Come back. Sophia's Wi-Fi. Aduh. Hayan, can do this one. Hayan, come on. Rahana, you look very sleepy lah, Rahana. I think you off video, you lie down lah. Rahana, don't do that. Then after all the whatever I'm explaining will go into dream world and everything got mixed up. Like one of my students said, he told me in my notes, I wrote what you say is this. I said I never said that. Maybe she was lying down or so. Okay, I think someone have sent the answer. I'm so happy to receive answers from students. 80 kg, 135 kg, 55.5 kg. Which is it? You just need to put this. Okay, what do you know about Farah? 125. Let's put 125 here lah. Let's put 125. And this is percent, right? So put 125%. Then what about John? John, he's 100%. Put percent below. Notice. As I said, if you write percent on top, percent must be below. Down here is always 1. Now, what is correlated to 100%? His weight lah. 45 kg like that. And you will get the answer. Let's see. $56.25. No one has given me. Wi-Fi girl, come in and also give the answer, Wi-Fi girl. You have not given me. This is what? Kg or what? Yes, kg. Mass. So, you say you don't understand. Okay, don't understand. I give you like that lah. 100%. Primary school method lah. 100%, 45 kg. Now you want to find who? You want to find Farah. Farah is how much? 1 to 5 kg, 1 to 5%. Go and find out. That's it. You find 1%, whatever percent, you can get the answer. Same thing. Now find Gopal's mass. Careful. Why? Your 100% has changed. Gopal is now compared to Farah. Who is 100% now? Who is this 20% lower? No. Of Farah. This is the new 100%. John is no longer 100%. Now, according to this B, we don't talking about John. John 100% is old story. We are looking at a new story now. Okay. So let us see Shafika now. Shafika, what she said. Okay, Shafika has given the answer. What's the answer? Sir, I go toilet. Allahu Akbar. Hey, Shafika, come back. You come back on toilet. Why give me that answer? I'm searching for answer, not toilet answer lah. And what can we get on toilet? All the dirty smell and whatnot, right? Hayan, come on, Hayan. I'm waiting for you, Hayan. You're supposed to go express, Hayan. Come on. Finish this fast. You should be the fastest, Hayan. Ika, come on, Ika. Ika dah blur lah. 150 cannot be. Which one? 150 is which one? This one? Cannot be lah. I just showed you already. This is a very good example of changing 100%. Changing 100%. How come you all look blur lah? Is it me or am I going too fast? What? Going too slow? Shafika, am I going too fast? You see, she look up. See, what is above there? Okay, I repeat. I will go through everything again for 100%. Number one, I repeat, 100% can change. You see, what does it mean? It means it depends on what your sentence is. Down here, there's two parts of a sentence. Gopal one, there's one sentence. Farah and John, another part of a sentence. Down here, let's see, of John, that means John is 100%. Farah is 25% more, so Farah is 125%. This is the second part of the sentence. First part of the sentence, Gopal's mass is 20% lower than Farah. Farah is 100%. See, can like that? Yes, can. It depends on how you say the sentence. Now Farah is 100%. Then Gopal, 80%. Strange, so strange. I thought John is 100%. Yes, John is 100% in the first sentence. The first time we talk about it, but now no longer. Now Farah is 100%. So how to do? Simple. You want to find Gopal's mass? What do you know about Gopal? You write it here. So you know Gopal is Indian. Maybe lah, maybe. See, he might be dark skin. Are you sure? Some Indians are fairer than you. You see, might have black eyes. No. They suddenly got blue eyes. So, but what you know from the question? 80%, right? 80 down here. That's what you want to know. Down here will always be 1. So if you write on top percent, below must be what? Percent. What other percent do you know? Don't go to the other sentence. Go to this one only. This one only down here. Farah 100%. Okay. You know Farah's weight or not? Of course you know what? Because you just find out that's now 56.25. Right? 56.25 here. And then you put into your calculator and you can get your answer. Finish. That simple. It is that simple. It's 45 kg. Okay. I'm now going to go to the next one. I think maybe we have to try this one again. Another one like this. You must be able to get this. You can't get this. I'm worried for you because you don't understand the basics, you know. See, never mind, we move on. Okay, we move on. We see what's the percentage. Okay, we try question number 4. Question number 4. I don't do number 3. Well done, Zahira. Well done. Well done. Wow. Berapa kali letak 45 kg? Correct, Zahira. 3 points. Sorry, I didn't see. It's not anything. But you're getting better. Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay. How are you at maths? Are you passing maths? Yes. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, right? Very good. Very good. Come on, guys, Susna, Shafiqah, come on. This one you look like that, as if you just pat someone, no. Tumbuk Syafi'i. Jangan apa call the thing. Yes, you may go to the toilet, okay? But come back, don't sleep there, please, So what is 100%? You got last year and this year. You got last year's price and this year's price. Which one is 100%? The old price, the old price is the 100%. Wow, let us see now. You have found, Miss Sophia, 100%. What is 100%, Miss Sophia? 100% is the original price, last year's price. What about this year's price? What about this year's price? That's why you must understand what, Shafiqah, you have found out 100%. Well done. But as I said, what is 100%? 100% is last year's price. Why last year's price? I show you. You don't get it. That's why you must understand the importance of 100%. 100%, now got last year. Maybe I got to speak English. Last year 100%. Now this year how? This year you drop 10%. Now become 90% lah. You are supposed to find 90%. You don't find 100%. You get it or not? Why? Because the price decrease. So you have found last year's price. Please minus that. Yes. But put a zero lah, because it's money, kan? But it's okay. So now, I can show you fast method, but some of you don't get it. Yes, well done, Zahira. Some of you may not understand fast method. I'll show you fast method, very easy. What you want to find? You want to find 90%. Why 90%? Because last year was 100%, this year dropped 10%, so I want to find what is 90%. Okay, good. Then what do you know? I know that 10% is 40 cents. You write percent here, why? Because on top percent. So 10% is 40 cents. Down here, put 40 down here. What happened? Ding, ding. You get 360 cents. So 360 cents or $3.60 is 90%. Notice, I did not need to find 100%. I went straight between 10% and 40%. The relationship, as I said. Can you see now? I do not know whether you get it. I'm trying to get you to realize that this thing is 10%. No, I didn't need to go 100%. I just need to know what 10% is. It's 40 cents. Okay, so we move on to the next one now. Okay, wait. We do reverse percentage. Okay, we do this one first. Must get this, girls and boys. Remember, percentage you have to understand, you know, because you are going to buy a house worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Later, we'll visit the HDB website. You have to understand. Some of you might be stuck with bayaran and soran, with courts and all that. Don't. Okay, as Muslims, we are not allowed to take riba. Riba is the interest and all that. But you need to find out about this to understand why. Because it's a trap. It's a trap. Shafiqah, come back. Every time I need to call you all. What is this lah? I said my name Adi. But she look cute lah down there. Zahira? Your cousin look cute in this picture. But I have not seen your photo. Show us lah your photo when you were young. Who's cuter? You or Anika? Or Inshira? You. Okay. I'm sure. A cute girl, thank you for coming back. That time you were so innocent. Okay, come. So ask yourself, what is 100% down here? Remember, at primary school, you can get away with it, but down here, you must understand 100%. You see, they give you clues. No? Look. What is the clue? At first, this is the original 100%. Then there's a percentage change. They want you to find the percentage change. Did it go up, go down? How many percent was that? That's what they're asking. Shafiqah, focus. I see you doing this one. Last time my father used to smoke BD, you know BD, Indian cigarette. They just roll a leaf down and isap gitu. Jangan merokok. Okay. Come. Hayan, come on, Hayan. You are supposed to be fast, Hayan. If you are frozen, something is wrong. Hey, who is that put cigarette into her mouth? Aduh, ya Allah. Muslimah cannot smoke lah. Allahu Akbar. Muslimah jangan hisap rokok deh. Ustazah, Shafiqah hisap rokok. My wife say inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Kata tu orang mati Bukan. Pada Allah kita kembali Kejut. Tapi aku tengok dia makan rokok lah. Aku pun terpengaruh. Aku pun mau merokok juga. Kerana Shafiqah merokok. Come on, boys and girls. Come on. What's the difference now? 5 students join. Means you plus 5, right? And then 14 left. So let us do lah part by part. Come on. 5 join. So you plus 5. But 14 persons left. So you must minus 14. So altogether, how many percents? You plus and minus.
804.
304.
804.
804, good. So what is the difference from, this is the original 100%, to this, what's the difference? How many percent drop? 9? 813 minus 804 is 9. So your next one's 800. Ya Allah, ni all this sticky tape will come out. 813 minus 804, you get 9. So they're asking you now, what is this 9 in percentage? Very easy lah. You just very easy. This one this one is primary school style lah. Okay, you put 9% over total how much? Total original original 100%. This is the original 100%. Don't take 804 no. Original 100%. You take the original one over 813 times 100 over 1. Times 100 over 1. What do you get? They want 3 significant figures, so 1.11%. That means there must be 3 figures, Okay, that is your answer. We'll move on, okay? You must be able to master this. I'm worried, but from your reaction, I don't get a good feeling. Because I'm not a teacher who just look whether you're right or not, no. But your reaction, some of you just like that. You think you're concentrating, some like that. You know, like a person telling me, "Do I ask you understand?" That means the person don't understand. Means the person don't understand. But if you say no, maybe you're looking at the screen beside or screen on top or screen below. Yeah. But I leave it to you. We cannot force. Like Syafiqah, halfway through, she'll leave, she go to the park, tak tahu apa dia buat. Terserah lah. This one now is going to get a little bit more complex. Remember, your exam question is going to be like this. So let us try now. Now, what is 100% again? Notice, look, this is another clue. This one is 100%. Look at the clue. I've given you quite a number of clues, right? Okay. So is it from July? Look at the sentence. Increase 25%. They talk about percent. From means down here is 100%. September is not 100%. Down here now, they ask you now, percentage decrease. Means you got to take July as 100%. Understand this, Hey, girls, you must understand this, boys and girls. The question, and they're going to change the 100%, no, just like that. You see in the question now, at first they talk about 100% as August, Later on, they talk about from July to August. July is 100%. Down here, they say it increased 25% from August to September. Means August is 100%. September is 125%. 100% can change. You must understand that. Down here now, they are taking, okay, you try. Come on, you try. Ika, stop playing a fool, Ika. You can eat later lah. Don't talk to your family members. You are there all the time. They are there. They will not leave you. They love you so much. You'll meet them in dunya and akhirat. You look at Zahira. Her family members walking all behind her. She's okay. Come, Rahana. Where are you, Rahana? Come back. What else? My screen, I can only see 5%. Ilhan is there. Ilhan, try to do this one, Ilhan. Very important for you. Okay, I think you might go into business and all that. You need to know this percentage. You need to know. Anyone going to business don't know how to count. Habis lah, you better not go into business. You have a dream, let's say, aku nanti besar, dewasa, aku nak jadi business person, nak buat business. If you don't master percentage, forget it. You do not know how much tax you kena bayar, GST, all this you have to pay. You don't know percentage, how to count. Then they tell you like down here 100%, 100%, you're going to ask the tax collector, how come 100% like that? You got a master down here. Sec 1, Sec 2 maths is good enough for you to do business. You master Sec 2 maths, very good. Can apply to life. Sophie, are you there? Okay, let's see now. Let's see. So you say percentage decrease is 40%. Let's see. Decrease by 40 mm. No? See, I myself need to process. Okay. You got to work backwards. You got to do this first. Don't answer the question first. You do this part first because you only know about August. You know about August, right? So August is 160 mm. Okay, we write it here lah. August. By the way, what do Indonesian call August? You all know, no? Agustus. In some of the names, is name of months, no? I met a girl, her name is Aprilia. Okay. See, why am I telling you this? Well, just information to wake you up. August, they tell you the rainfall is 160 mm. You know what is 160 mm? Say, I do not know what it is. Say, I do not know what mm is. Okay, I'll show you now what mm is. Those of you, you know only mm as M&M's, chocolate. That is not what it is. This ruler down here, you can see, this 1 cm, inside it got mm. There are 10 mm in 1 cm. So you want 160 mm, this is how high it is. Okay, I show you 160 mm. This down here is 10 mm. And it goes up to 10 is 100 mm. 10 cm, 100 mm. Then it goes to 16. 16, this much of rain. Is it a lot? Say very little. Hey, the whole country got this amount. It's a lot of water, you know. Okay. Never mind. So now I come back again. August, Augustus. Augustus now, August, 160 mm. Now in July, was it more or less? This one's August. The first one August, now it's July. July, I see it decreased from August, from July. So that means in August, in July is more, 40 mm more. I plus 40 lah. 160 plus 40, 200 mm. You see why? Because July to August, it decreased by 40. So that means July is 40 mm higher. So now they ask you now, calculate the decrease in percentage. Very easy. What is 100%? What is 100%? Look at the question. From, this is 100%. Must know, must know. So now how? Okay, put the 4 things down here. The thing you know for sure is this one. What you want to find? Decrease. Decrease is 40 mm. Put 40 here lah. Then what do you know the percentage of? I know July is 100%. July 100%, 200 mm. Put 200 here. Why I don't put 100 here? Because as I tell you, you put mm here, below must be mm. Then what is the corresponding one? 100. Okay. Okay, you find out what's the answer then. I think 20%, is it? Some of you may say, hey, can I use the 160? Can, but how many percent is this? You don't know what. That's why you cannot use, because this one you must know the mm and the percent. If you know, now you know, right? Now you know, now I can try, now I can show you. Now I know drop 20% is 80%. Okay, I do try again. I put 40 over 160. And 160 is 80%. You try, you will get 20% also. You will also get 20%. So long as this is the ratio, this is 200, mm is 100%. 160 is 80. Can you see now? 100 divided by 2, half. 80 divided by 160, half. Same thing. So understand this method. What's the monthly rainfall in September? Now you must remember, girls and boys, the 100% now change. Look at this now, they tell you now, 100% change. Now what is 100%? August, from. And then September, 125%, why increase? So now August is 100%. August is how much? They tell you it's 160 mm. This, remember now, is 100%. Say why? There's no, it's 80%, 100%. Yes, depend on the sentence, I say. Depend on the sentence, 100%. So what you want to find? You want to find September, means you want to find 125%. So you just put like that. September, 125 down here. Percent, this one, 1. Below must put percent. 100% is how many? 160 mm. You will be able to get. Some of you will think it's 200, not 200. You try like if I, okay, our thing is 192, I think. Let me check. 125 divided by 100 times by 160. 200. Oh yeah, correct. 200. It goes back to 200. Yes, 200 mm. But notice, this now is a decrease of 20%. It become 160. From 160 to increase, not increase of 20%, no, have to increase 25%. There's a difference, Okay, we move on. But before we move on, you must know about how HDB and all this stuff. This, you got to make percentage learning important to you, no? What? Aduh, don't know why I'm telling that the girl laughing now. Okay lah, tak apalah, dia laugh boleh. Up to her. Sekejap, down here. Down here. So yeah, don't look at this man for a long while. So let's see. HDB interest calculator. Okay, interest rate. Let's see now. Interest rate. This is HDB website, no? They're just charging 2.6%. PA is what? Per year. Let's say now you pay for 30 years, how many percent you have to pay? I calculate for you. 2.6 times 30 years. You have to pay 78%, you know. That means now let's say you buy a flat, 500,000. Example, 500,000. 500K lah. 500,000. And then interest, you got to pay 78%. You know how much that is? Let me tell you now. 78 divided by 100 times 500,000. 390,000 is your interest. That means altogether you buy the house for 500,000. Altogether you must pay, you campur together 890,000. Do you get it now? Your house you buy only 500,000, but the bank will collect from you a total of 890,000. Say, why you must pay so much interest? Yala, you're going to spread over 30 years, you have to pay this. You must understand this, no? Because all this is relevant to you, no? Now, they teach you how to get the balance and all that stuff. But I leave it to you. This is where you can find out and use, okay, inquiry a monthly installment, for example. Down here, let's say loan amount. Down here, even give you a calculator, 500,000. I'm going to pay in 25 years, not 30 years. Okay. Interest rate there is 2.6%. Okay. Let's say with effect on July. What is my interest? Okay. Every month you must pay 2,269. If you use 500,000 from the bank, every month just to pay, you got to pay 2,000 plus, to the bank. You see, but my gaji only 3,000. How to eat? That's the problem. So you must understand all this, But I do not know lah. You see, we are in Sec 1 now. We are still not yet learning all this. Why is this teacher teaching us all this? Okay, never mind lah. We don't go there lah. We don't go there. Okay? We don't buy house lah. We don't buy house. We go to marathon. Okay, marathon. Some of you can ride, can do. Okay, we try this one now. You try. alamak, this percentage or fraction. Very simple, very simple. Come on, use the method I teach you. Very fast, very fast. Come on, Hian. I'm waiting for you, Hian. Come on, Sophia. You have disappeared, Sophia. The chair I want to go to toilet has never come back. Is she in the toilet still? Check. I got to call her mother. She's still in the toilet. Hey, Rahana, you're in the toilet still, Rahana. Better tell your mom. You fainted, is it? Okay, hold on. I'll just send a message to mother. Oh, come back really so fast. Oh, but the eyes, yeah, no, why you didn't turn on the video? I cannot because I look very pretty. Don't be like that. Okay, come, let's try this one. Come on, we try this one. We've got 6 minutes left. Aduh, dia dah minum milkshake. Shafika, I just told you you already slim. You lost weight. Your PP now no longer apple-like. What happened? Shafika go and turn on the video lah. So bad lah. Come on. Hey, and you can do this. Come on. Hey, I feel as if I'm selling durian in the street now. Chip, offer. Girl can put it on head. Okay, balance. Very good. If you use the method I taught you, you can get the answer in an instant. Anika, show kakak how to do, Anika. You can do it, Anika. Kakak ni garang Kakak yang sulung pergi aku tumbuk kamu. Dia takut lah. Who is that? Who is that? What big nose you have? Ika, try this lah, Ika. In that moment, the person came, I saw the nostril hair. I felt like plucking it. Some people have certain fetish lah. When I was young, like your age, we have pimples, right? Your pimples, right? So you have some adults in your family, geram nak picit, nak. Some people, they might have the same thing for pulling out the nostril hair. Cikgu ni kena cakap, my wife is saying I'm talking nonsense. I have to talk nonsense, otherwise they all go to sleep. Some of them are really like zombie. And yet, cakap nonsense, dia pergi makan McDonald lah dia. Cepatlah, Syafika lah, siapa lagi. Dia selalu mau menguji nafsu aku minum milkshake. Dia tak pernah offer aku milkshake time di tuition center. Sekejap. Come. Minutes have passed. Sophia, where are you, Sophia? Sophia, it's a very scary photo of you. What happened? You had skin problem then? You're not wearing scarf also. Scary lah, Sophia. Come on. Okay, come. Those of you who do not know, I do not know whether you know or do not know, but I got a feeling down here now, you put 1. What you want to find? You want to find total number of participants. How many percent is this? 100%. All you need to know is 100% and the number. Adults, this one. Oh. So some percent, I put percent below lah. Times adults are down here, finish. You know how fast this method is? Very fast. Very fast. But slow to put inside the time is, no one has given an answer for this one. Come on now, don't wait until I right down here. You will get the answer. 3, 3, 3, 100%. You want to use primary school method, can lah. Primary school method, you want to use like, okay, up to you lah. Like that. This is percent is equals to 1850, can. But I'm giving you the one-step formula method. Use lah the faster way. Okay, then you want to find 100%. Can do this method also, no problem. Okay, not that you cannot do, but it's time consuming. You do this one, you understand how to use the formula. Always down here be 1. This one what you want to find. This one will always be how many percent is equals to how much, or how much equals to 100%. That's it. Very fast. Okay, we move on. Let us see. Marathon. We do a last one. This one. Buying condominium. Good. Find out. Some of you don't understand this, don't understand the loan. I say, I bought now for 800,000. I sell my condominium $1 million. How come I make a loss? You must know how much interest you are paying, and what is the tax. Do you know when you buy a condominium, there's a certain tax? You must plus that also. Then every month you are paying more than the amount you borrow, you know. See, how come I'm paying more than what I borrow? Yeah, like the bank want to make money from you. Of course, you have to pay more than what you borrow. Ask yourself, is this 100%? Original price is 100%. You must know. So this one is how many percent then? This one is 100%. So 1 million plus how many percent? They tell you 120%. What you want to find? You want to find original price. So let us see whether anyone got the answer now. Let us see now. You got 210,000. Hey, very cheap lah. You found, maybe you find only 20%. Now want to know original price. Takkan original price is too low. So you write down here. Okay, you use this method now. Very simple. Yeah. This one will always be 1. What you want to find? They say find the original price. What do you know about it? It's 100%. Write 100% here. Remember, if on top is percent, below must be percent. So the price increased by 20%. So now the price is 120%. 120%, how much is it? 105,000. So you just put inside your calculator and then you will get it. Having a calculator but not knowing how to use a formula is not going to help you. So you must understand the concept 100%. So how much is it? The original price is $875,000. If you don't believe, you find what's 20% of this, you add up with this, you will get 100%. I just feel that you all are not so involved lah. Syafiqah nampak macam mabuk lah Syafiqah. Dah minum ni milkshake ni. Okay lah, I leave it to you. Hey, this is your life, no? Okay, I can help you to score in maths. All of you can get 100 A. Trust me, all of you can get A. But you depend how much effort you put in. Lesson time, do you focus or pretend to focus? Pretend to focus, you only cheat yourself. In fact, you also cheat your parents. Those who are parents somewhere in the house. Now my son or daughter is concentrating, very still. Doesn't mean that. That one, maybe the other parents say, never mind, leave her inside the room all alone. She need to concentrate. Don't know what she's doing inside the room. Okay lah, doesn't matter. We'll see you next week then. And Selamat Hari Raya Haji to all of you. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.